Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dear friends, this is in continuation with the concerns that some sections have regarding the development in the Umïam area and concerns about the Lumpongding Island. As clarified yesterday, first, that in the MOU, it is clearly stated that no permanent structures can come up in the Lumpongding Island. Number two, the Taj Resort and Spa will come up in the existing Orchid Umïam property. That is where the main structure and the main hotel will be constructed. The island will mostly be used for activities where temporary structures will be allowed. Number two, it is also important to note that the tourism strategy is a holistic strategy. This requires infrastructures to be created, hotels to be created, five-star properties to be developed, but at the same time to ensure that our people get the benefit of the tourism development. Homestays need to be pushed. We need to ensure that our tour guides are trained. The different transport systems need to be strengthened. Different activities and products like handcraft and other textile products need to be promoted. And hence it is a holistic strategy, and all sections and stakeholders will benefit in the long run. Hence we need 5 stars, but at the same time we also need small restaurants, and we also need homestays so that local people can benefit. You'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has one of the most aggressive homestay programs, where close to 800 homestays are being constructed as we speak, and another 3,000 are targeted in the next few years. And hence, while these concerns are being noted, let me assure the citizens of our state that we are ensuring that a balance is struck between overall economic development and balance between our environment, and at the same time ensuring that high-end luxury resorts come in, but at the same time smaller homestays and other facilities where our local people benefit from it do also come up. We will require everybody's support to ensure that we are able to take this vision forward, and I hope that this clarification will help people understand the larger strategy and the larger objective that our government has. Thank you very much.